Right, good day everybody. I'm in at the rugby field, the A field. The teams are almost time for the match. I'm just waiting for my co-presenter, Louis. He's going to be joining me soon, and the crew. I'm a bit of an early bird, but I can tell you now the atmosphere is already cooking. Players are practicing, already training. It's already spectators. The field, I can tell you now, the stadiums will definitely start to pack as the day goes on. It's Saturday. First game, Helpmekaar against Trio. 35 minutes and a half. It's going to be, both teams are pretty competitive. Can be looking forward for a packed game. Now, if you look at the rankings of both teams, both of them are inside the top 100. Middelburg is ranked 47th in South Africa, and Trio is ranked 62nd. So I'm looking for an evenly contested game. It's going to be awesome. As the guys are preparing, the players are doing their last training drills. Spectators are also expectant. People are starting to come in. We can be looking forward to a packed day. Awesome packed day. See you guys soon.